These apps that I've never talked about before on my channel will pay you for doing nothing. It may sound too good to be true, but without doing any surveys or watching boring ads, you can get paid through these apps. All you have to do is install them, and from there you can go out with friends, watch a movie, go about your day as you usually would, while the app runs in the background and earns you money in passive income. Stay tuned and keep watching to find out what apps I'm talking about. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so as I said in that intro, we will be going over apps today to get you paid. Now, I really want you guys to stay tuned and keep watching, because not only will I show you multiple apps, which means that if you skip ahead, you might miss some of them, but I will also show you the reviews of each and every app so that you can see they are all 100% legit and will actually pay you. Without further ado, let's jump to the first app I will be going over today. This app is called Panel App, and I am now at their official website, getpanelapp.com. This app has two ways to get you paid: by completing surveys and by running in the background of your phone collecting data. They are 100% legit, as I will soon prove to you. You won't be sharing any of your private information, nor do they impact your phone's performance. All you basically need to do is install this app, let it run in the background, and that's it. You can now forget about it, and it will make you money passively. This app is available for both Android and iOS, by the way, so it will work for you no matter which phone you have. And with that said, let me now show you the reviews of this app so you can see that it's actually legit. On Google Play, this app has a rating of 4.3 stars with 80,000 reviews. Meanwhile, on the Apple Store, the rating is at 4.6 stars with over 40,000 reviews. So this app, as I said before, is 100% legit and it does work. It will get you paid, and more importantly, it doesn't steal your data. How exactly this app actually gets you paid, you can see right down here. The Panel app measures device data, including apps and location, for the purpose of market research and analytics. So they're basically collecting data of your phone for the purposes of market research, and that's how you get paid. Now, something of note is that this app can get you paid a bit more money if you decide to complete surveys, as I said before. You do have two ways to get paid after all, so if some of you want to make a bit more money, then by all means, go ahead and complete some surveys to get paid. But as usual, I do not recommend them, nor do I think they are worth it. They are boring, long, and in the end, won't get you paid that much money whatsoever. All in all, guys, this is a great app, great reviews, and it will work for both iOS and Android, which means all of you watching this video will be able to install it. And with that said, let's now move to the second app I want to show you. The app in question is this one here called Money SMS, and I am now at their official site through moneysmsapp.com. Now, this app can get you paid with you doing nothing, just like the previous one. But the difference is that, as its name suggests, it does not go through using data of your device, but by receiving SMS messages. As you can see, Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Now, with that said, don't worry, this will not steal any of your data. They won't look through your SMS messages or whatever, and the reviews I will soon enough show you will prove that. With that said though, as you've heard just a second ago, it is an Android app, so no, it unfortunately doesn't work for iOS, but that could change potentially in the future. With that said though, a way you can make a lot of extra money through this app and passively too is through the use of their referral system. And as you can see down below, they offer 30% of what your referrals earn, which is quite nice actually. And since this app will make people money, and passively so, they will want to stick around with it and use it obviously. And that allows you to earn money passively month after month from the same people that you could have referred a long time ago. So using their referral program is definitely a great idea to double down and earn a lot more money with this app. Now with that said, before we move on to the next app I want to show you, I want to go through some of the reviews first. As you can see on the Google Play Store, it has a rating of 4 stars with over 3,000 reviews. For whatever reason, this app doesn't seem to be as popular as the previous one, most likely because people are worried it will read their messages or whatever. But regardless, that still doesn't change the fact that, as you can see, this app has great reviews, which means that in the end, it will get you paid. The third app I want to go over with you guys is this one here called S'more. Now, right off the bat, this app is only available for people in the US, so it won't work worldwide like the 2 previous ones. But I still want to mention it because some of you watching this are from the US most likely, and this is just all in all a great app to make money passively, and the reviews prove it. It has a rating of 4.4 stars with nearly 50,000 reviews, so I think it's safe to say it's legit. The way this app will get you paid is as follows. They will display ads and offers on your lock screen, so whenever you turn on your phone and unlock it, you will see a bunch of ads, and they will get you paid for displaying the aforementioned ads. And what's really awesome is that it doesn't matter how many times you unlock your phone, as you can see here. In other words, even if you unlock your phone like once throughout the entire day, you will get the same amount of points as if you've unlocked it like 10 times or whatever, meaning that you don't have to do anything to actually get paid. In case you want to earn more money with S'mores through other means, you can. This app allows you to play games, for example, to get paid. They do have more options for you to earn money, albeit, as I said, they are unfortunately not worldwide available. The fourth and last app I have for you today is called Mobile Expression Panel. This app is very much similar to the first one I showed you. It will basically collect your phone data and you get paid for it. Now, what data they are exactly collecting, you can see below. Where are people surfing to and what mobile applications are they using? Your participation in the Mobile Expression Research Panel helps us find the answers. So you will basically get paid for surfing the web. This makes the app a bit different compared to the previous ones, since you do have to do something after all to get paid. But let's face it, all of you watching this video tend to surf the web from time to time, and using this app here will get you paid for doing so, which isn't bad at all. As far as the reviews are concerned, you can see the app has a rating of 4 stars with 50,000 reviews, so just like all the previous ones, it is legit. With all of that said and done, guys, just before we conclude this video, let me give you a tip. Install all of the apps I showed you in this video, because by doing that, you will get paid much more money than otherwise would be the case. 3 apps collecting data will pay you much more than just a single one. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.